Tetanus plus Vaccination Campaign at Balipathar. KSA carried out cleaning drive in Rongagora. KLA President visit Borde Kalangmili Nirja ground. BJYM carried out Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in several places under Korkanthi MLC constituency. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates. A Tetanus plus Vaccination Campaign was held at Rongkethi ICDS Model Center in Balipathar on Monday. During the campaign, children between 10 to 16 years were vaccinated with TD vaccine to protect them from tetanus and diphtheria diseases. The vaccinations drive was carried out by ANM Somila Devi, ANM Anima Sham, ASA Supervisor Bobita Boromech, ASA Basapi Timungpi, ASA Kungri Teronpi, AWW Kimiti Bepi, and AWW Punam Hansepi. Tetanus plus certificates were distributed to children who were vaccinated during the campaign. The members of Rongagora branch of the Karbi Student Associations, led by its president Harmon Singner, carried out a cleaning drive in Rongagora weekly market. Members of the student body also appealed to the shopkeepers and the general public to maintain cleanliness in the area. The public have appreciated the student body for carrying out the drive. Dilip Tokbi from Rongmongwe for 365 News, India.
Kardom, nilitum Karbi kursa cinglo mamai KKCA hinpen, tiri pialong kesulang ponbom, nalitum kadu kawia thengno, ethe alam pacini gantung do, khe kedoan mate sumsiang, jati jabol kaprek sitame, mate Karbiam sitame, nalitum yang si somsuri si sosea keso nang bang arjong long do plotangte, nabang so keso pengka cepa meji aphan, nilitum KKCA long nang humri iktame, nilitum along nang humri pen nang tum akiso cepa jok pon longji la pena duntu ni tum labang soron ke klem pon la ke Karbi ku sa ching ramai pela bangke aron barim hempu mukrang pira singja anam tharo aron aptang pe si hakko pirthe plangrap pe si ni tum nang ke klem nang ke dang la si ni tum pen kapachinia teng pen ai tum na ka humri pen labang so ke so don ra pen kadu ko be pen reng dok reng ni ki do ra pen je phansi ni tum ke sia hin pen nang tu phan pachini pon kardom.
Karbi Ame Central Committee President Hidena Drongpi, along with his colleagues, on Monday visited Borde Kalangmili, Nirja ground, the venue of KLA Annual Conference 2021, to oversee the preparations for the forthcoming annual event. Karbi Ame, the apex literary body of the Karbis, will be holding its 29th annual conference with the theme Nipialam Nichinghon Chenam in this venue from January 20 to 23, 2021. Preparations by the reception committee for the event are going on full swing. Rongpi was accompanied by General Secretary Joysing Togbi, Reception Committee President Surja Rongphar, Vice President Jivan Chandra Pathak, Secretary Chandra Singner, and others during his visit on Monday. The delegations led by Rongpi inspected the preparations of accommodations for the delegations during the events. Similarly, sites allocated for the meeting, dining, exhibition, soap, and others were also inspected. Bisnu Lekte from Hanjanglangso for 365 News, India.
Karbi lamed amai ingkoi rasirkep angdeng ningkan asek amai pi. Pining aningkan muning surihini ra ingkoi rasi ladak Borde Kalangmili Nirja Klamlong si padupon po kidamtang paikuni kretrok arni tirikam amai sing datpen Pini lang litum ke klem ke dam Adap Borde Kalangmili ahawara radatum turpaksi pining mamuning sengkan kiduponji lasu Karbi lamed amai pi ingkoi rasirkep angdeng ningkan asek amai pi aparman ki claim ke dam loklo.
Members of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Korkanthi Mandal, led by its president Rajiv Killing, carried out cleanliness drive under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in several places under Korkanthi MLC constituency. The members of the youth wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party cleaned Samilangso Market, Donga Chingchu Market, Tekelangjun Market and the popular tourist spot Paklong Camp. Several BJYM members, including its General Secretary Aditya Engti, participated in the cleanliness drive. Rajiv Kiling further informed that they will be carrying out similar activities in the coming days. Anand Bey from Vuthungaji and Ruby Singh Hanse from Hawarkehat for 65 News, India.
Litum Karbi Anglong District Committee Amaipu Bidasing ti Alangli direction pen litum Pini Taring ko raisi kicheng sinilitum Samilangso town pen si cheng poneglo Samilangso up to nilitum Dendakhat Bazar Tekelangjun Bazar la pen nilitum kepajut sike Paklong Kamsi pajutam igi labangso Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mate kapang rasai labangso asai nilitum kedeng bonke athepi ke lahan lo nilitum korkanthi mondol committee ahin pen nilitum korkanthi hawa town elong do la pente bojar long thom do la long thom adim lo la long pi adim long nilitum langdam lo mane bojar long bang nilitum la polythene pencheng lo sonsi polythene hai hoi kakot la pente bag barak son ka mane yo letra hormu mane penang enjoy chu mane koi ham hum la son hormu do amasi chelang no dak amasi nilitum matha pon lo la pukali ilitum mahawar long lahai keter ke era dim lo ilitum bang paklar ponai tapuson ilitum yong si ke paklar asai deng pon lo pulotang ke ilitum la bang chelang mi te ilitum homas long abang chelang mi o yi pun ilitum kamatha pon bensi Pini la bang so asai deng pon iglo son sinilitum kebang jilangar ni sitame nilitum korkanthi hawa long nilitum Pini Swachh Bharat Klempon lo apen nilitum tarik engkoi rasir kep arni nilitum all korkanthi traditional games sitame nilitum kapathu kacipati nilitum bipon egi hala sahos sitame nilitum la mondol atruli la pen EM plus district atruli pense nilitum principal pense nilitum Klempon ji lang.
Adu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.